YouTube Kids channels are pulling in some serious money by making AI animation videos, and they're basic animations with nothing fancy either. Some of the more popular videos are getting over 20 million views with over 2 million subscribers. And while millions of subscribers and views means 10 to 30 grand every month, here's how you can do the same in less than 20 minutes with the power of AI. AI animation videos. Making AI animated videos for kids isn't just fun, but can also be a rewarding way to earn money on YouTube. To kick things off, you'll want to get acquainted with some cool AI tools that help make animated content easy. A few of the favorites include Takia, Envidio, OpenCV, Vimeo One Take, and Canva. Takia is the perfect AI sidekick for video creation with a user-friendly drag and drop setup, while Vimeo One Take and Envidio are all-in-one solutions that only need a script to make you a YouTube video. But this is a story for another video. Today, we're going to focus on the AI tools that successful channels like Peekaboo Kids are using and making $8.2 to $100,000 every month. But you need to pick a niche for making AI animated videos first. Find your kids' niche. Think about what will grab the attention of the kids you're targeting. Whether it's educational videos about the ocean, stories set in a forest, or anything else that would interest children. Check out what's already out there. See what's popular, and find where there might be room for something new and exciting. This research will help you tailor your content to stand out from the rest. When you pick a niche that matches your interests and what the kids love, you're not just creating videos, you're crafting something that speaks directly to them. So choose the right niche. But for this video, we're going to focus on the educational niche. Generate a script. First things first, head on over to AIPRM.com and download their ChatGPT extension on your browser. AIPRM is an awesome Chrome extension built to take your ChatGPT experience to the next level. It's a useful little add-on that lets you use prompts and makes your interactions smoother and more efficient. All you need to do is download the extension, and you'll find a bunch of fantastic templates waiting for you on the ChatGPT dashboard. But let's focus on the YouTube script creator prompt that will help you create a script for your video. So you're going to start by asking it to write a script for a kid's learning video. It could be about anything from animals to food. It all depends on what the most popular kinds of videos are at the moment you're creating them. But asking for at least 3 different kinds of scripts is a good idea. When the scripts have been generated, just copy-paste them into a Google Doc. This is because that's going to make the rest of the steps easier for you. Find the right voice. Once you've chosen the ideal script, head on over to 11labs.io to generate your voiceover. We're choosing 11 Labs because you can turn text into realistic audio across 29 languages and 120 voices. All you need to do is go to the Voice Lab and pick the exact voice you want for your video. A good rule of thumb is to be on the lookout for something that's kid-friendly. You can explore all of their options, but since this is a kids learning video, you'll want to choose Dan Dan. This voice will show up when you use young for the age and American for the accent under the advanced filters. Always remember that we want a kind voice because kids respond to kind voices better than a clipped, formal accent narrating the video. So you can either go with our recommendation or choose any other narrator that suits your needs. Now, once you've found the perfect voice, you can go ahead and save it. Go to the speech synthesis page and pick your voice from the drop-down menu. Then all that's left to do is change the settings to make sure the voice matches the kid's theme we want and move on to generating the voiceover. A good tip is to generate a voiceover for each section of your video separately because you'll need around 4 scenes for your video. Once you're happy with how it sounds, hit the download button and save each section according to the subheadings. After that, visit adobe.com/express for the next step. Find and animate characters. You'll find everything you need with Adobe Express. First things first, click on the Video tab and scroll down until you see the Animate from Audio feature. You'll see a bunch of character options to choose from. But before you choose the characters, change the background color to green. This is so we can use any kind of background we want later when the video is in its final stages. Now, check out the lineup of characters because you'll see loads of interesting ones for your animation. Find the one that matches your video script and voiceover, like avocado, for example. It all depends on the type of video you're going for. When you've decided which character you're going for, hit the Browse button just under the character and select the voiceover for the first scene you downloaded from 11 Labs. Then just wait for Adobe Express to do its thing with AI magic and animate the character you choose with the voiceover. Repeat this for all your scenes until you've animated all the characters, and then move on to the next step. Create animated backgrounds. Your next stop is going to be Canva. Once you're there, search for the Video tab and go into Elements. Now look for a background that goes with your characters. For example, if you went with an avocado character, choose a kitchen background or anything similar that goes with your character. This is an important step because you need a kid-friendly background to retain young viewers and have a good start to the video. But keeping a check on the time frame for the voiceovers you create is equally important. So match up the time on the animated background to be exactly the same by dragging the video frame. For example, if one voiceover is 15 seconds long, the animated background needs to match up to that. Keep repeating the process until you've made backgrounds for all the characters you've generated. But make sure there's enough animation to keep your viewers interested. Let's say you're making a video to teach kids about vegetables and fruits. In this case, you'll want to add some more elements to really make your scene pop with the power of Canva. Now, if you've selected a simple and clean kitchen background, you can add a kitchen window and layer on an animated sun shining through to give life to your scene. Keep exploring till you found all the right elements for your video. Just make sure they're animated, then click and drag them onto your scene, and repeat the process for all the other scenes. Once all your scenes are done, make sure the timing matches up perfectly for each scene before you move on to the next step. Layering the characters on the background. For starters, download Filmora from their website and set up an account. When you've downloaded the application, you'll see a dashboard where you'll bring everything together. You can start by tossing in your first clip that was made with Canva and popping your animated character on top. Then it's time to mess with the chroma key feature to get rid of that green screen we put behind our character in the beginning. But sometimes, the character, or at least part of their clothing, will blend in with the background. Don't worry about that, because all we need to do to fix that is slide up the tolerance bar. This will make everything normal, and once that's done, you can place your character wherever you want. Then move on to the next scene and repeat the drill. Tweak the tolerance, adjust your character's size, and everything will start coming together. The great thing about Filmora is that you can scroll over to stickers and add different effects, like prompts to add your CTA or some facts like the benefits of each fruit or vegetable layered on top of the scene. If the video still seems a little dry, you can throw in some kid-friendly tunes too. Thankfully, Filmora's got a good bunch of those, and you can even use them for other types of videos too. Once everything looks good, hit that export button, and you're done. What are you waiting for? Go make AI animation videos with AI and start earning money. Let us know in the comments if our guide was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.